Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we are going to be unboxing the DV Plus from GFB. Stay tuned. Whoa, that was a handful. Alright, so we got a diverter valve in the mail today from GFB up in Sydney. Let's go have a look. Alrighty guys, got the package here. It got down here in a couple of days, which was pretty surprising with all the bushfires going on. The invoice. Alrighty. Packaging. Let's have it around this side. It's always good when you buy your own country made. These are Australian made. I like the packaging. There we have it. Their first fits. It's the model number T9355 for a 1.4 TSI twin charge. So we are putting this on the MK5. I believe Mark 6 can do it as well. I'll double check and I'll put it up on screen for you. There we go. Good packaging again. What have we got here? Got a sticker. I don't have any GFB parts on any of my other cars. So it's got the instructions. So it takes you through what you need to do, which I will do in next episode. It's quite easy. I've watched Brett do it from GFB as well. Pretty much just replacing the internals on stock one. Good little piece. Let's have a look. So the housing, very nice. DV Plus. I think that's pretty much the only thing that you'll notice, but I don't even think you can see it. Anyway, so we've got a spring, a plunger, just from the other side, a piston should I say. This piece, not sure what that piece is, but it's freaking heavy quality. Another spring, and we've got extended bolts because of the housing. It's a bit thicker, so it needs extended bolts. Sweet. And I'll just pretty much cut to when it's put back on. Alrighty guys, it's back on. Can't really tell. Looks normal. Let's do everything backwards. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.